We drove our camper van 15 hours from Georgia to the Florida Keys through rain, traffic, and even a few hours of sleep at a rest stop, all for this. But first, we had to get there.
Okay, let's go.
And we're taking a break, catching up on his phone scrolling, and then we're stretching our legs, and we'll get back on the road. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Are you thinking we're going to stop or push through?
I feel it's on top.
This is my coffee shop melody. A little sweet, a little bitter, just like me.
1 hour later.
So we are sleeping in the rest stop. We're gonna try to get to sleep together in the small little mattress in the back. I'll let you know how that goes.
6 hours later.
We're back on the road. It is approximately 3:40 in the morning. We got some rest. Well, Chris got some rest. I tossed and turned most of the night. And we're keeping it real. Slept in the same clothes that we rode in, and are gonna continue in the same clothes. We're gonna stop at my mom's to visit, maybe get a fresh shower and a change of clothes there before heading to Sunshine Key.
One eternity later.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
Are you gonna do the Duval crawl?
On the road
Probably not.
again. Going places
Wow.
that I've never.
Seven miles later.
We're finally here, and the check-in process is pretty smooth. The security gate is manned at all times. They ask you to pull into a lane and complete the paperwork. You take it into the office, and then you follow your golf cart escort to your site. The setting up is actually one of my favorite parts of the trip. A quick setup with Chris handling the electric, water, and sewer, while I handle the outdoor living area. And then we head to the pool, with a refreshing drink and relaxation on our minds.
The next morning.
We slept great. Now we're going to take our 5-mile walk. Join us while we tour the campground. Sorry, we're new here.
Yeah, I got something over here.
day exploration.
In our morning coffee walk. The sun is bright. Just outside of the campground, the RV resort has a convenience store. We stopped in there to look around and grab some snacks, and then my crazy brother drove us to see something we weren't expecting. These are key deer. They are a unique, endangered subspecies of white-tailed deer found exclusively in the Florida Keys. It is illegal to touch them or feed them, but it was so cool just to see them. Meanwhile, Lucy is hydrating for the day ahead. We stopped for lunch at Porky's in Marathon. And there we had another surprise. The local manatee decided to join us for lunch. After lunch, we stopped at the Big Pine Key RV Park convenience store for some ice cream and took a quick little tour of the park. Keep an eye out for that video coming soon. We were now all officially hot and tired, so we headed back to Sunshine Key RV Resort so that we can take a nap, freshen up, go to the pool, and rest up for the next day.
Stop Key West Lobsterfest.
Look at this little dog. Babe, look at this little dog in a remote control car. They saw it. Yeah, they saw it already. Flying monkeys. It's like
They got dirty rice too. Dirty rice.
And that's a wrap. We're headed back home. It was very hot. Do not recommend coming this time of year unless you are accustomed to really hot weather. Sunshine Key Resort was a success.